Skul Mynken High Secondary School Bharambang tentang bakalam khmat ya ka jelah ka beri baka jelah ka football hendai kala lam khmat ru ka beri baka la Pynmih Pisa ba kamjur balak ban yang halaka jong ki kejan daga Ïatreilang jong ki Nonghikai ki Khynnah Skul bar kamjuk ki mi ki pa kede kalong ha bakla pelang ya ka food fest kam jambal sale ha ba plau jong ka skul baka jing temu jong ka ni ba pelang ya ka program kalong da ka ban Pynmih Pisa bantai ya ka auditorium jong ka skul ya ka balatai ha ba plau jong ka skul na kam ta ki ba bun ki jung kam jong ka ni ka skul antat baka ni ka auditorium kan nyam kamba sans pango di Khynnah Skul ha ba Khynnah Skul ki nyoban pelang ya ki program ki ba fair ha ka ni ka program le shem taru di Khynnah Skul ki Nonghikai bar kumjuru ki mi ki pa
for the ball to sketch Ronaldo to
Wow, this is so very good.
Hari ni ka program udar ta jang school education and literacy usap tambe ulalang kongsan ka baul ya kendu kerpang ya ki player football jong ni ka school ke belami khmat ya ke jela ha ka super cup Masian ki selection mata ha ka international football ka nang pa France mana ka yang jong uru ul a ki la jengrap ki boot sebat ki pat ki jersey na ka mata jong ni Khynnah Skul
The big hand continues. Captain Malang. Let them
You can exchange later also.
Side, but I'll also tell Department of Sports whatever help is required, let me know, so that from the department side also will give and keep doing, and all the best for your visit to France, and we just remember that the state is proud of you, so keep shining. And to all the students, you should be proud that you are part of this wonderful school. You have a amazing principal who received national award also, and there are so many initiatives in this school which the state is proud of. Recently, additional secretary also, Government of India, he is very senior, he is 30 years senior IAS officer. He also commended and praised this school. So I'm very happy with the performance. When you are in school, give 100% attendance and 100% attention, to your teachers. Study well, and beyond study also, play sports, whatever you like, do more reading, get some skill, learn computers, and take this opportunity and learn, maximum use of this opportunity, because you are very lucky to study in this school, this kind of school, So make the most of this opportunity, make your parents proud, make your teachers proud, and make your principal proud. Thank you so much for inviting me to your event, Kuble Shibun Midela.